Hello viewers, welcome to XMTV. Today we are going to discuss how coronavirus helped me to get my life back on track. Please don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button. Since I started working almost 20 years ago, I got stuck into a 9 to 7 routine that I couldn't get out of. I was always sleeping late, waking up late, and would get ready and hit the rush hour, and for some time I felt like this is going to be the grind of my life and I might be stuck here forever. I mean, I not be able to come out of this. I always had some thoughts at the back of my mind thinking, would there be a day when I may really not need to get up and go to office for an extended period of time? When would a day like this come by? Is it even something that might be remotely possible? From those numerous days of slogging and not getting enough rest, COVID was finally here, and it kind of made not just me, but all of us skip our routines for close to about 4 months now. For a lot of people, it was bad news, where businesses were trying to cut corners and they had to let their staff go. For some, it was their only livelihood. It was really bad. COVID created two groups of people in the workforce, one in the employed pool and one in the unemployed, and each one was kind of in their own mindset. The employed thinking, is my job going to be secure enough? And the unemployed were of the mindset thinking, how long until I could find another job? Felt like there was a tug of war between these two mindsets. An improvement I saw in my life was that my group moved from an office setting to a work from home option almost immediately. This break basically broke my routine of sleeping late and waking up early, and always being in a state of exhaustion, which kind of improved immediately as I woke up just in time for that 8 a.m. call instead of the usual 6:30 a.m. So that gave me back about 1.5 hours of rest every day. I had always been a guy who used to work out during lunchtime and have a quick lunch at my desk after my workouts. What I found out now, since I was no longer going back to work, the fitness part of my life went down a spiral, and I was just ending up at my couch, not even getting up unless it was to grab a snack or for a bathroom break. It kind of brought me to a more stressful situation as my body had lost all that movement it was so used to do that I kind of now missed. Oh, so lovely that life was. Was Corona here to stay? Since it had been a while, one afternoon my gym teacher reached out to me on my social media and kind of checked up on me. I mentioned to her, I've been a month into the lockdown and I basically didn't have a single day of working out. I've been eating everything under the sun and have enjoyed my rest so much that now it's getting me all stressed out. How ironic could this get? My coach advised me not to lose touch with my present and let go of all my inertia and get up and move about, as it's going to be an uphill task later. The more I slacked off, I could be getting larger or heavier day by day, and it could get tough getting back into shape later. As it is, I had a paunch building up slowly over the past 4 to 5 years of my life, even with a 4-day week exercise routine. Due to my current situation of not working out regularly, I decided to now do some small in place movements for a few days so that I could get my basic stamina back in order to do my regular workouts. It wasn't hard to notice at first that I was getting worn out just by doing simple warm ups. Even though my mind kept telling me it was tough, my only motivation was not getting back on the couch, fearing that the exercise was too tough. So, the only thing that motivated me was the fear of getting back on my COVID routine, which was just sitting, working, eating, and taking bathroom breaks. The motivation resulted in something which is always true about life, and that thing which is always hard to do, getting fit and losing pounds and pounds of body fat. But a major discovery I unearthed was that moving up and pushing myself for about 10 to 15 minutes and not giving up caused me to gain body strength and stamina that I hadn't had for years and years, even with the exercise that I had been doing. It might have been probably due to the reason that I may have had good rest during the COVID pandemic. So, the main reason that I would attribute my wellness to would be majorly being able to first get up and push myself for about 20 to 30 minutes, and then my gains would be due to the rest that I was able to have because of the COVID situation. As of today, I'm able to cover about 5k every single day, and in addition, I'm able to do an half an hour's worth work of weight training or cardio to keep myself fit. This is how I felt possibly COVID has helped me and given me a kind of an advantage or a helping hand. And now I'm also stress free and really not worried that I may pack up another 5 pounds of additional weight on my body. I believe that it may end up being muscle mass after all due to all my working out. Thanks for listening. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily and weekly updates and click the like button, and please comment on the videos to recommend us as to what content you would like to view on our channel. Thank you.